Hey, it's Mosh Bari. In this video, I will share how this Fiverr gig made over $500,000 using mostly copy-paste and simple templates, and how you can do the same using a software that has thousands of templates. Not only that, if you stick to the video, I will show you how big this niche is, and it's easy to join anytime you want. Plus, I will give you our own very private template that you can use with this application or any other application or any other templates, and that will help you make 2 times to 3 times more money than everyone else. So let's begin with this Fiverr gig and see how much money they made from this Fiverr gig. The total number of 5-star ratings, wow, 2,151 reviews and 5-star ratings. Let us consider 20% of their customers came back and left rating. So the total number of sales will be approximately 100,755. And if we consider the standard offer as the average price of the gig or service, then multiply with 55 and it's 591,525. That's a wow. Now, I have no idea how old this Fiverr gig is, but when we came to Google Keyword Planner tool to find out how hot this niche is, which is brochure design. So a lot of people look for brochures or brochure design. We found 602 keywords just for brochure design, and all are looking for brochure design. So it's a huge niche with one keyword asking for 9,900 searches per month. And we limited the search locations only on Canada, UK, US, and UAE. If we make it global, it will be much bigger. So it's a huge niche, and people are looking for brochure design every single day, every single week, every single month. And we came to Fiverr, we found 14,219 gigs related to brochure design, and everybody is selling. With a software like this, someone can actually offer multiple types of similar Fiverr niche or Fiverr gig and make 2 times to 3 times as much. So let me show you how easy it is to make a brochure or to make a mock-up using my most favorite Designbeast. By the way, link is in the description. And yes, if you to the end of the video, you will get my template of a 3D mockup design that we use for ourselves and we sell to our clients and make a lot of money, and yours will be free if you stick to the end of the video. So now we are on Designbeast application. With the full version of the application, we have all this type of tools that we can use. Simply go to all-in-one design and mockup engine and search for brochure, and you'll have hundreds of different types of brochure design. Choose the one you like. Click here to add your logo if you want. Click proceed. Software is preparing in the background, and the brochure with a lot of template options is ready. You can change your template. You can select the template type and change in just one click. Another interesting thing is my objects. You can use vectors, you can use PNGs. So let's say you want to add this person here, which is super easy. Cool, right? You want to take this text on top of this person. So bring it to top, done. And this one as well, done. Now let's say you don't like any of these people. You need someone specific to add on this banner. Let's say this is the person, and you want to remove the background. You want to add only the person. Okay, that's super awesome. Get that image, go to Designbeast background remover tool, and then simply click upload and upload the image in one click. The software is automatically working in the background without you even asking for anything, and the work is done in just one click. Download. The way, if you're interested to make money from background removal Fiverr gig, then I have another video, the link in the description, and I will also put the link somewhere on the video. Now you want to upload the image, you just remove the background off, and you can add this person in just one click. Do you like it? Now let's remove this person in one click and put this person here. Take him backward again. And personally, I like what I have done so far. If you want to add anything else, you can add in just one click. Resize, reshape, add more, delete, change, do whatever you want. And once you get an order, all you have to do is to click a few places here and there, use the Designbeast app and deliver to your client and make money as much as $35 or $55 or even $100. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, switch on the notification bell button, as this way you get notified every time we upload a new video. The Designbeast link is in the description, by the way. And of course, as I promised, there is a link to our 3D mockup that you can use together with Designbeast and offer other kind of Fiverr gigs on Fiverr or in other freelancing sites and make a lot of money. Yeah, that's it. I hope you liked it. All links are in the description. Let's make a lot of money and see you in the next video. Now let's create a Fiverr gig. Click this green button and then add a nice and lucrative gig title. Add category, in this case it's graphic design, and subcategory brochure design. Make it promotional. Add search tags, click save and continue. And then create packages, add descriptions of basic, standard package, and describe your premium package. Add more descriptions, clear and lucrative, so customers know what they're going to get. Add delivery times for each package. Make sure they're completely clear. Fill up other options and add price tags for each package. They should be reasonable and competitive. And if there are any extra services you want to add, then add description. Click save and continue. Once you are done, add questions. Add a question. The question should be clear. And then click add. Click save and continue. Add more questions if you want. And then images and videos make a lot of differences. So add lucrative images and videos. And then once you're ready, click publish gig. And it's ready. Just click done and your gig is ready to make money for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, and we will see you in the next video.